So I have found an article that highlights 8 California cities housing market and what is it going on. If you've been watching my channel for the last year or so, you know I've had some very interesting things to say about the California housing market. We have talked about San Francisco and their significant stress. We've talked about Orange County and the luxury market. We talk about Riverside. We talk about Fresno, Sacramento, all of these wonderful places. So I thought I would pull up this article and you and I would go through it together and look at what's happening in 8 California cities. So let's take a look at it right now. Here we go. And again, you can find this article. I found this one on financeyahoo.com. So let's get into it. Let me move this picture out of the way just real quick. And we will go through this. Let's give Jake Arkey credit for this. I read this article on Sunday, January 15th. So as we go through it, the first city they talk about, of course, is San Francisco. San Francisco's median home price is roughly 1.2 million. It is down. Ooh, look at that, folks. Down 190 grand. Of course, I am rounding, or almost 16% in 3 months. San Francisco has made some, I don't know, local decisions that is causing San Francisco's housing market to implode. California has adopted rules where a lot of the rich are like, I am out of here. So, of course, you are seeing some stress in some very high-end markets. I do think it's very interesting. This article, it seems to try to spin it as a positive. It says, despite that rent going up 101%. Wow. I didn't think that was possible. I don't even think that's true, but again, that's what the article says. Rents up 101% in 2021. More young professionals are moving to San Francisco, making it the perfect place to start your career. I don't believe that is true. I believe San Francisco is still on the decline. I think there will be lots of money made in San Francisco eventually, but I don't believe that statement to be true for a second, in my humble opinion. San Jose, California, often called Silicon Valley, median home price $1.48 million, down also, roughly speaking, $170,000. That's a hell of a change in 3 months. So down 12%. Wow. Woo. What does that say? 1 out of every 727 citizens are worth 30 million bucks. Damn. What am I doing wrong? Woo. That's crazy. Stockton, California. Talk about the epic bubble that was the 2008 Great Recession. Stockton was just utterly crushed. Median home price, 520 grand. Wow, I had no idea. 520 grand. Down 8% in 3 months, or $42,000. That's quite the drop. Yeah, I remember Stockton getting wrecked. Los Angeles, California. I assume they were on this list. Wow, median home price, 900 grand. Man, people in California got a lot of money. 900 grand, 3 month moving or drop of 63,000 bucks, or 7%. LA is huge. It is really wild to think that they have a median price of 900 grand. San Diego, California, probably the best weather in all of California. One man's opinion, median home price of $850, down $55,000, or 6% in 3 months. Think about that. 6% annualized, that's a 24% crash a year. Now, I'm not calling for that. I'm just doing some funny math. Oxnard, I think that's in Southern California. 820 grand, down 50 grand in 3 months. What does it say about Oxnard? It's a wonderful outdoor, sprawling fields, incredible coasts. I actually don't know where Oxnard is. Los Angeles. Oh, it's an hour from LA. Go figure. Sacramento, California, home to Matt the Mortgage Guy. Median home price, $570. I actually thought it was higher than that. I didn't realize it was only $570. Down about 30 grand for 5%, or 20% if you annualize it. All you do is you take 3 times, you take 5 times 4, because this is only a 3-month drop. That's how I'm getting the 20%. 18,000 job openings. Wow. Residents report traffic as being pretty mild most of the time. And it's on the way to Lake Tahoe. That's, yeah. I've been through Sacramento many, many times. Riverside. Ooh, this was the epic housing crash of 2008. Riverside was destroyed. I can't believe their median price is $545. I do think it's interesting that Riverside is only down 25 grand or 4%, 4.5%, when San Francisco and LA are down a lot more. I would have thought Riverside would have been hit harder, but this is a very different environment. Maybe this is a highlight that the white collar areas of San Jose, San Francisco, LA are being hit harder than blue collar. Maybe there's more blue collar workers in Riverside. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of this in real time. But in the end, those are 8 cities that have been hit really hard. Riverside, Sacramento, Oxnard, San Diego, Los Angeles, Stockton, San Jose, and of course, San Francisco. So when I look at that list, I'm most reminded of the 08 crash where Stockton and Riverside were just destroyed. We're talking 75, 80% drops. Here we're talking 4, 5, 6%. I do think there is something about a white collar led recession versus blue collar, or a rolling recession versus what was the Great Recession. But I thought this was an interesting article. Everybody wants to talk about housing crash, so I thought I would highlight those numbers for you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.